Welcome to your daily dose of Carolina Bays. This presentation reviews open source software to digitize LiDAR images of Carolina Bays for fitting them with ellipses using the least squares method. This is an important technique that helps to reconstruct the rims of Carolina Bays that are only partially visible due to overlaps. A previous presentation explained the use of Google Earth to obtain a set of latitude and longitude coordinates along the rim of a Carolina Bay. The coordinates were then input into a program to fit an ellipse to the points by the least squares method. The resulting ellipse provides a robust method of finding the width and length of a Carolina Bay that is more reliable than just taking single measurements of these dimensions with the ruler tool from Google Earth. I then tried the Web Plot Digitizer, which is a semi-automated tool that makes the process of plotting extremely easy. The program works with a wide variety of charts with XY coordinates, polar coordinates, and maps with scale bars. Automatic algorithms make it easy to extract a large number of data points. The program prompts you to select 2 points along the scale bar. It was then a simple task to run the cursor along the perimeter of the Carolina Bay. Each click created a coordinate pair. A small square on the right of the screen magnifies the position of the cursor for more accurate positioning. It is possible to delete points that are misplaced and then add points at the correct location. I was then able to use the least squares program to fit the ellipse for the Carolina Bay. The dimensions of the ellipse were very similar to what I obtained with the latitude and longitude coordinates from Google Earth. This seemed like a good method for working with LiDAR images with scale bars. The next episode has a surprise.